Hello students, in the last video I have explained questions of exercise 9.4 till second part of question 3. Today we will solve remaining questions of this exercise. Now see, a plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 times of AC plus BD. Now we will solve. Here you can see these two expressions are binomials. Okay, and here these two are binomials, and here also this is a monomial 2 and this is a binomial. Okay, now first we will multiply and then we will solve it. Now a into c minus d, okay, plus b into c minus d. We will write for this. Here we will write plus sign. Now we will solve these two. A into c plus d, and here minus b into c plus d plus 2 into AC, 2AC plus here 2 into BD. What will come here? 2BD. Now we will simplify it. A into C, AC, minus A into D, AD, plus B into C, BC, plus minus B into D, BD, plus A into C, plus AC, plus A into D, plus AD, minus B into C, here minus BC, minus plus here minus D and D, minus BD, here plus 2AC and plus 2BD. We will write here. Now we will write like terms together. So let us collect the like terms. Here AC we will write first. AC. Now search this type of like term. AD, BC, minus BD, and this AC you have got. Clear? This AC. So after this AC you will write this AC. Now see, are you getting any another such type of term? You see here plus 2AC you have got here. This is also like this AC and this AC. So these three terms you have written. Okay. Now see the next term. Here minus AD. Clear? Minus AD. Now you search such type of any other term is there or not. So after searching you can get here AD, but it is positive. Okay, plus AD. So after this minus AD you will write this plus AD. Now plus BC we will write here, because now we have to see this plus BC here, and one more like terms of such type you can see here, this minus BC. Here, so both you will write here, BC minus BC, this BC and this minus BC. Now see the next one. What is this? Minus BD here, and C. Is there any other such type of like term? So here you are getting one more minus BD. Clear? Here minus BD and this minus BD. So minus BD and minus BD you will write. And one more like term of this type you can see. This is plus 2BD. Okay. Now we have collected all the like terms together. Now we will solve. We will see the sign very carefully. After that we will solve it. AC plus AC plus 2AC. What will come here if you add 4AC? Okay. AC plus AC plus 2AC, 4AC. Now minus AD and plus AD. You can subtract and you will get 0 here. Clear? Now plus BC and minus BC. For this you can write 0. Clear? And minus BD and this minus BD. If you solve, you will get minus 2BD. Clear? Now this plus 2BD you will write. Here these both are like terms. Okay. So here we can cancel them. So for this minus 2BD plus 2BD we will write this 0. Now here 4AC plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So the result of simplification is 4AC. Now children, see the sixth part of question number 3. Here we have to multiply a binomial by a trinomial. Okay. Here x plus y, this expression has two terms, so it is a binomial, and the next term x square minus xy plus y square is a trinomial. We will multiply both the expression. First we will multiply with this x with x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Here we will write. Then we will multiply this y plus y by x square minus xy plus y square. Here now we will start multiplication. X into x square. Here x cube will come. Plus and minus, minus x into xy comes x square y. X into y square, we get xy square. Now we will do multiplication of this y and x square minus xy plus y square. Y into x square y will come. Sign plus you will write. Now plus and minus we will multiply. Here minus sign will come. Now we will multiply this y by xy. So here xy is square we will get. Now we will multiply this y by the last term of trinomial. Y into y square we will get here y cube. Now we can simplify it more. So see the next step, what we have to do. X cube we will write. We will write this plus x square y. We will write after minus x square y. You know why? Because we are collecting here like terms. So after this minus x square y we will write plus x square y. Now we will write this xy square and we will search this type of another like terms. So here we got minus xy square. We will write these both terms together. Now at last what is coming? Y cube. Now we will see we have written all the terms or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see you have written all the terms. Now we will solve again. Minus x square y and plus x square y. If we solve, we get 0. Clear? And xy square and minus xy square, if you do, what will come? 0. Clear now? Because you have subtracted here xy square from xy square, what is coming? 0. So, your answer will be x cube plus y cube. Now children, see the 7th part of question number 3. Question is 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Here we have to solve this expression. Here, to solve this question, first we will multiply this binomial with this trinomial. Okay, so 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 we will write, and after this we will write this minus sign, and 4y we will multiply with this trinomial 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and then we will write minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now we'll start multiplication. 1.5 into 1.5. We will get here 2.25, because 15 into 15, 225, and if you multiply 1.5 into 1.5, your decimal you will put and 2.25 will come, and x into x square you will get. Now we will multiply this 1.5 x with this 4y. 15 4 ja 60, and here we are multiplying 1.5 with 4, so 6.0 means what? 6 will come, and x and y, here xy will come. Now 1.5 into 3, 4.5, and here you will write x. Now here we have completed the multiplication. We will put this minus sign and we will start multiplication of 4y and 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. 4 into 1.5, what will come? 6.0, or you can write 6x or y. Here you will write. Now this minus and this plus you will multiply, and here minus will come. 4 4s are 16, y into y square. Clear? Now here minus and this plus we will multiply. Here what will come? Minus 12, and this y will come. Now at last we will write this minus 4.5x plus 12y. Just like previous parts, here also you will write the like terms together. So here you will write 2.25x square, 6xy we will write, and we will search we have any such type of any like term or not. Here we have got such type of like term, minus 6xy. So we will write after plus 6xy, we will write minus 6xy. Okay. Here we will write both. Now we will write this 4.5x. Again we will search such type of like term. Here we are getting 4 minus 4.5x. So here after 4.5x you will write minus 4.5x. Now minus 16y square, we can write here minus 16y square, and we are not getting any like term like y square. So after this we will write this minus 12y, this minus 12y, and we will search like term of this kind. So here plus 12y we are getting. So after minus 12y we will write here plus 12y. Now we will solve the like terms. Here, before that we will check we have written all the terms or not. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we can see we have written all the terms. Now we will solve like terms. Okay. 2.25x square we will write plus 6xy minus 6xy. 0 will come. Plus 4.5x minus 4.5x, 0 will come. Okay. And here minus 12y and plus 12y, if we solve we get 0. So the result is 2.25x square minus 16y square. Now children, see the 8th part of question number 3. Here first expression is a plus b plus c. It is a trinomial. You have to multiply it by a plus b minus c. It is also a trinomial. Now we will multiply both to simplify the given equation, given expression. Here a we will write first, and this a we will multiply with this a plus b minus c. Here you can see I have written. Now we will write here plus b. Okay, this plus b, and this plus b will multiply with this a plus b minus c. Now after this we will write this plus c, and we will multiply it also by a plus b minus c. Now see the multiplication. A into a square we will write, plus into plus, plus a into b, ab, and this plus and this minus, what will come? Here minus a into c, ac. Now we will do multiplication of b and a plus b minus c. B into a, ab, plus b into b, b square. Here plus minus, minus b into c, bc, plus c into a, ca, plus and plus we will multiply, bc will come because here c into b we will do. Now plus minus, minus c into c, c is square. Now first we will write a square. Now we will write b square because we are arranging it. then we will write minus c square. After writing a square, b square minus c square, we will write this ab. Here, after writing ab, you can see one more ab. One more like term of this type you can see. So this also you will write after this ab. Now, after writing a plus ab and plus ab, we will write bc. Okay, bc. And one more bc we are getting in this step. What is it? It is minus bc. Clear? bc minus bc we have written. At last we have got here ca. ca you will write, and this minus ac you will write. ca or ac, anything you can say, both are same. Now we will solve. A square plus b square minus c square we will write, and ab plus ab, when we add we get 2ab. Clear? And this plus bc minus bc, for this we get 0, which is no need to write. And here plus ca and this minus ca or minus ac, you can cut and here 0 will come. So the product of these two given expressions is a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab. Now students, this exercise is over. You will solve all the parts of all the questions in your copy in the proper sequence.